Bali. The rice fields, the beaches, the temples, the party, the overall escape. It's not just a dream for many of us young South Africans, and the kind of place that makes you want to pack up your whole life into just one suitcase and go on an adventure of a lifetime. Hi everyone, I'm Luciano Levy, the co-founder of Eco Lifestyle, and last year I had the privilege of living in Barcelona and Valencia, and after traveling through Europe, taking budget flights, taxis, cycling, walking every day, as well as trams, you realize not all luggage is designed for you. And I had those moments of, if only it had X, if only it didn't have X. So today, I'm going to be unboxing our Bali collection, taking you through all the details that it offers. So on that note, welcome to Learning with Eco Lifestyle. With the Bali luggage, you're getting a complete 4-piece set of a cosmetic bag, a 55 centimeter carry-on, a 65 and 75 centimeter check-in luggage. Each one has a matte finish and is shaped to absorb impact. Here's what I wish every suitcase had: a telescopic handle that's not wobbly, Hinomoto dual 360 silent spinner wheels. Inside, you've got a full organizer, a divider panel, a zip pouch, and compression straps. Everything has its place. Exterior shell isn't just solid, it's shaped to disperse pressure. That means less risk of cracking. These rubberized handles on the top and sides are super helpful when you're lifting into a boot or overhead bin. The built-in combo locks mean you're suitable for international travel. And the 55 centimeter carry-on is airline approved. It meets the sizing requirements for Fly Safari, Qatar, Emirates, Turkish, Lyft, you name it. We don't buy generic luggage and slap a logo on it. I flew all the way to China with samples, walked through factory floors, tested the wheels, pulled the zippers until my hands were just raw. We designed every inch of this from scratch because I know what it feels like to land in a new place and not trusting the suitcase in your hand. This collection is personal. It's not just luggage, it's part of your journey. The Bali collection will be 20% off this week only. Don't forget that we ship from our Cape Town offices nationwide throughout South Africa, so nobody is left out. And we recently just launched on WhatsApp our first travel guide. With this community, what we're trying to create is the best travel hacks, access to our latest giveaways, pre-orders. You get to vote what comes into our next luggages, so don't forget about that. As well as follow us on Instagram to never miss out on what's happening. All the links are in the descriptions below. Thanks for watching. Oh, and if you don't mind, if you're traveling, don't forget to leave a palm tree in the comments below.